everything. Inside the weather state. Just let you see the floors they have put in. Probably screen this whole house before we could put a final on. All the other contractors are finished. So we the last dons. A lot of pressure on us, gotta make some changes. The floors to me are beautiful, but the owner doesn't like it. And he's very particular. He's a very wealthy man. So it has to be exactly how he wants it. Anything other than that, it's no good. Beautiful floors. You can see how long this plank is. This plank, as you can see, it starts right there. It goes all the way to the wall. Each plank of wood in here is at least 3 to 4 inches thick. Each individual board. Like, I don't even know how they got this in here. This house is built probably in the 1800's, I'd say. Solid construction. Basement down there. It's just a lot. So right now we're just figuring out how we're gonna get them right. As far as my bricks, had no problem with the bricks. They love the bricks. So me, myself, personally, I did a great job. Look at them bricks. These bricks were tore up, fully restored, satin finish. They lovely, gleaming. Probably got like 6 coats of satin Duracell on here. They came out real good. Migos, Hondurans, and the Guatemalans did all the woodwork, all the way to the ceiling. Electrician did a great job. Like, this house is extremely old, but fully up to date. They rewired everything. New breakers and all. So I'm about to get to it. We lay floors.